Of course I'm stuck.
You're stuck. God dang.
Thanks, Cream.
Oh, sheesh. Move this out of the way. God dang.
Look how many medkits.
I know. So me and Levi found this base, and there was so many med kits. And as you can tell, I am very sick right now.
Yep. Your voice you just sniffled. You don't have corona. You do not have corona.
Yes, that's good. If I had corona, I would be coughing a lot. Literally like 5 hours ago, I was just coughing.
You didn't have like your taste. I remember I had signs of COVID, but I didn't have COVID.
What the heck? That's weird.
I know. Why does this coworker only have legs?
I hate the coworkers that only look like legs because they look so terrifying.
How do you push them?
You can't. I don't think so.
Remember you pushed one of them?
I don't think you can push the ones that are like... Oh, did you set a waypoint?
No. But I already see it.
Yeah, so you set down a waypoint.
The base was like right next to me.
It's so hard to get around. Oh my gosh, my energy.
My phone is just at 4%.
Your phone is at what percent?
Just now at 4%.
That's how slow it is? God dang. My Nintendo would have already been like at 30%.
Never get the dollar store chargers. Never get the dollar store iPhone chargers. Like, get it from an actual store. That's where I got mine from. Like an actual Apple store. Bro, if I had my original charger that's at my grandma's house, it would have been at like 39 or 40 something percent.
For some reason, like your voice got a little demonic for a second.
How did you get demonic?
I don't know, it just randomly got to demonic.
Like, how did that sound?
You sounded like you had like a bunch of voices talking at the same time. And so technically just like how the employees say excuse me, the store is now closed.
Excuse me, the store is now closed.
I hate it. I just found a...
not coming. You're going to see a mannequin wiener if you come in.
Wait, there's only a couple of... There's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 people in the server. Well, technically 3 if we don't count us. There's 3 people in the server if I don't count us. Oh God, I can't go down.
I'm going back in because it might turn dark.
Oh my God, I actually found a lot of stuff here. So I'm gonna try to connect like both of our bases together. Because I actually found a base that has a lot of food.
Okay, all we need is like 3 lights and we cheat.
Should I go live? Should I go live soon or no? Like live on TikTok?
Wait, never mind. You did not make this perfect.
Yeah,
There's
I
a
know.
hole in it.
I made where all of the sharks are. I made where all of them are, and then
Did you see?
Levi made where all the penguins are.
Did you see that mannequin wiener?
Wait, where?
Mannequin wiener. As soon as you get in, you see that mannequin wiener.
I don't see
Look at that
anything.
stuff.
Good, I don't
I
see
don't.
anything.
I don't got gay bars, but they came out the closet.
My God, I remember this one time where like me and Levi found a base, and there was literally a mannequin that had some stuff on it, and I did not like it. Like
How did it look?
someone literally made something that's a part of a man's body.
They gave a mannequin a wiener.
Yes. They gave a mannequin a hot dog. I muted the soundtrack just in case if I got copyrighted.
I never knew what copyrighted was. So when you start a YouTube career,
Yeah, I have 2 YouTube channels. Actually, no, I have 3 YouTube channels.
this day 88, that's how long the server's been going?
Wait, how long has the server? The server has been going for 1 day now. 1 day. Wait, what time is it? It's 1:34.
Sharky's glitchy. It's
What the heck? He just dead now. What did you do to him?
I think I croaked them.
What did you do to him? What the heck? He's dead now. You killed Sharky. How dare you? we don't talk about what noises just happened.
What is rubbish? R.I.P. Sharky for life.
Oh my God, bro.
Sharky, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I keep having to go onto the menu screen.
Look in your bed, Sharky.
I'm kind of like new to this whole entire YouTube career thing.
Me too, honestly.
Well, on computer, because I have to like make files, and it's very hard to like. I was gonna go out, but never mind.
Dude, Sharky, get out the freaking way. There's a hole in the top of the. There's a hole in it.
If I
There's a
die.
hole.
If I die.
There's a hole at the top.
Wait. There's still 5 people in the server, but if I don't count us, there's 3. Jesus Christ, this person is chatting a lot. What do they look like? Oh, sorry. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.